Are you fucking serious right now? Oh my god! Hi! Hi, buddy.
Close up from love, I didn't leave it in. Once the trust was enough, but it was all in vain. Time starts to pass before you know it, you're frozen. But something happened for the very first time with you. My heart melting to the ground, found something true. Everyone's looking